Hi everyone, I'm Justie Nicol, one of the partners here at Colorado Lawyer Team, and something I wanted to talk about today was supporting family members accused of a crime. It's one of the worst things anyone can go through, being falsely or even correctly accused of committing an offense, and trying to make sure that it doesn't ruin your life one way or the other. But it's even harder sometimes on family members who don't have access to their attorney, who may be witnesses in the case, and especially in cases of domestic violence, how you can help if you didn't want charges to be brought against, the offending party. So supporting family members who have been accused of committing a crime can be a difficult and emotional process. It's important to remember, though, that everyone is innocent until proven guilty. So here are some steps with that in mind that you can then take to support your family member during this time. First things first, listen to them. Your family member is likely going through a range of emotions and may need somebody to talk to. Try to listen to their concerns and fears without judgment. I know it's really difficult when somebody's been charged with a crime to not prejudge them as a bad person. But I like to say, and I say this a lot on our consults, but good people can make bad decisions every day. It doesn't make them a bad person. So just trying to remember that, especially in these difficult times. Encourage your family member to get legal help. It's important that your friend or family member have proper legal representation. Encourage them to speak with a criminal defense attorney, such as those at our firm, who can help guide them through the legal process. It's one less thing they have to try to tackle alone. Provide emotional support for them. Let your family member know that you're there for them and you'll support them throughout the legal process, whatever that may look like. Offer to attend court appearances with them, or provide a listening ear when they need to vent. You can help with practical matters. Depending on the situation, your family member may need help with things like childcare or transportation. Offer to help them out in any way you can, and understand that they're going to have a lot more commitments with their time because they're going to be going through the court process. Encourage them to go through that process. Absolutely, they need to follow the legal process. They need to follow their attorney's advice. They need to check in with pretrial. They need to follow bond conditions, protection order conditions, and follow all court orders. They should not try to take matters into their own hands. One of the worst things we can do is have our clients out there trying to conduct investigation. It can really taint evidence, and that's what we have professional investigators for. But you should always encourage them to be honest with their attorney at all times. It's important to remember that supporting a family member accused of a crime does not mean condoning their actions. We're talking about two separate things. You can support your family member on one hand, while also recognizing the seriousness of the situation and the need for accountability on the other. As always, the folks here at Colorado Lawyer Team is here to help. The folks are here to help. We're here. You can pick up the phone, give us a call today, anytime, on behalf of yourself, your family member, your friends, or anyone who may be facing unjust criminal charges. We look forward to hearing from you today.